Hey guys, so you can probably hear it in the background. It's a little bit breezy today and it's still pretty cool. Usually by this time of the day the temperature comes back up, but it's kind of cool still today. So I'm gonna pull up some ginger that's ready to harvest. I'm gonna mound up some potatoes. I want to try something a little bit different, and I want to show you guys something that I found in the garden. So this ginger here was a grocery store ginger that I planted. I'm just gonna tip this over right here. Still got some green to it, but the majority of the fronds are dead, so we're gonna see what comes up. It was maybe like a piece like about yay big that I planted. So you can kind of see here, this little nub right there is the piece that I planted, and it grew all this in the back here, some here on the side, and then this piece was attached to the side that I broke off. So I'm gonna reserve this piece to replant, and then this is what I'll harvest, so this chunk here. So this is actually the piece that I harvested. I'm gonna leave the rest in the ground because I probably won't go through that much, but that's a nice little piece. And then I just repotted those remaining pieces. Over here is this random potato vine. As you can see, there's some potatoes right there. This was like a little nub that got thrown in here and it started to sprout and it's growing more potatoes. So instead of just hilling it up, I'm gonna cut out the bottom of this container, set it in, and then slowly fill it up as it continues to grow. So as you can see, I just cut the bottom of this out. I'm gonna pull the potato plant through there, like so, and I'm gonna fill it about halfway, and then as the plant continues to grow, I'll top it off and maybe see if we get some potatoes in this can. The sweet basil next to it is doing fantastic, by the way, and it smells phenomenal. I don't even have to touch it, and I can smell it from here. As you can see, I filled it with some dirt. I'm gonna give it a slight shake. Don't pack it down too much because you want it to not be firm enough that the potatoes don't, you want the potatoes to grow. You want to give them space. You don't want to pack it down. We're on our way to the tree, but look, you can see there's tomatoes all up in here. They're looking delicious. My salvia broke in half. The little water lily's done. It's closing for the day. And we're walking to the big tree where I gotta show you guys something. Sorry for the breeze and the noise. So we've been in this house a couple of years, and let me turn the camera around. If you look at this tree, I attached this orchid, but in here, you can see there's some bulb. So I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's an orchid that I thought maybe was dead and I threw up there and it started to grow again, but we'll find out. And this little baby pencil cactus is doing so well. This thing died. It was like a little 2-inch piece and it's grown all this. It was waterlogged forever and almost didn't make it.